This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Eva Andrews. Beautiful single-family home is located in a sought-after neighborhood of Pembroke Lakes. Open floor plan, vinyl flooring throughout and renovated kitchen west/quartz countertops, gas range and black stainless appliances. Also features 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, one of which was renovated, a large Florida room that overlooks the backyard and oversized pool west/a travertine deck provides the perfect outdoor space for anyone looking for rest and relaxation, while the 1.5 car garage offers ample space for parking and storage. Complete west/hurricane impact windows, doors and garage door, newer air conditioner, tons of natural light and no HOA. This is the ideal home for family living. As if that weren't enough, this family-friendly home is located near A-rated schools, shopping centers and more. Schedule a tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Eva Andrews at 954-315-6000.